Hey guys, in this video I will be showing you how to install Domain Hunter Gatherer on Windows 10. To start with, you will need to go to the members area to download the installer. You can find the download in the active resources list. Just click it here and download it. Once downloaded, open the installer and go through the prompts as you see here. I would advise to leave the install directory as default. When the installer has finished, you can run the software. At this point, if Windows doesn't have all of the required components, Domain Hunter Gatherer will download them for you. After these have been installed and set up, you can now start the software as normal. First time you start the software, you will be prompted for your login details. The username and password are the same as they are for the Domain Hunter Gatherer members area, so enter those in here and you will be logged in and ready to use your software.